In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz on MailerLite. Whether you're looking to engage your subscribers or gather valuable insights, creating a quiz can be a fun and effective way to achieve your goals. Let's dive right into the steps. To get started, head over to your MailerLite dashboard. This is where you manage all your mailing lists, campaigns, and forms. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate your cursor to the Forms section, which you'll find in the main menu. This is your gateway to creating different types of forms, including the quiz we're about to make. Next, click on Create Form. This option gives you the flexibility to design a variety of forms depending on your needs. Here you'll need to type in a name for your quiz. Give it a distinctive name so it stands out, especially if you have multiple forms running. Once you've named your quiz, you'll select the type of form you want. For quizzes, we'll be using the Embedded Form option, which is great for integrating seamlessly into your site. After choosing Embedded Form, make sure to click Save and Continue to preserve your settings and proceed to the next phase. Now you'll want to select your subscriber list. This is crucial because it determines who will receive your quiz and how the collected data is stored. Choose an existing list that matches your target audience for this quiz. Once you've selected the appropriate subscriber list, press Continue to move forward. With the setup nearly complete, it's time to personalize your quiz content by typing in any text or highlights you want to feature prominently. Whether it's introductory text or a catchy headline, make sure it aligns with your quiz's theme. Don't forget to hit Save Settings to ensure your changes are not lost. At this point, if there are additional highlights you'd like to feature, you'll want to repeat the process of typing in these highlights. After you've configured your highlights to your satisfaction, click on Save Changes to keep everything intact. Customizing your quiz involves adding fields for questions and answers. Look for the Add Field button and press it. You'll have the option to add different types of fields such as name, last name, input, and dropdown. These allow you to tailor the questions according to the information you want to gather from your participants. Keep in mind that the sequence of adding these fields is vital in shaping the flow of your quiz. Adjust and arrange them to create a logical, engaging progression for respondents. Once your fields are set up to match your vision, click Save to finalize your quiz structure. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a quiz on MailerLite. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to engaging your audience with meaningful, interactive content. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more insights. Happy quizzing!